All right, Tom. Here's your 596. Sitting on old blue. Looking pretty. Testing and adjustment went well. No leaks. Let's look down inside. Yeah, nice and dry. All right. Well, how about we go ahead and fire it up? Yes, sir. That's the way it's supposed to be. And you can see, no drip. Correctly, the float is set correct. All right. Go through a couple times here. We'll check some numbers. Got a little too much gas in there initially. Let's look at some numbers. Idle RPM right now is about 600. I could turn that up a little bit. There we go, 650. Looking good. Fuel pressure, just about 3. Vacuum, bouncing at 23. I probably got a couple dirty plugs in there. And there's my dwell at 42. Looking good. All right, we'll pull it through a couple more times. All nice and warmed up, looking good. Thank you, sir.